subscribe,
Which of the following signifies the white hat in the D Warner's six thinking hats? The correct option है information or needed. Who of the following are responsible for planning, conducting and evaluating their own efforts? Correct option है learners. Which of the following symbolizes the red hat in the D Warner's six thinking hats? Correct option है feelings. Which of the following is the first stage of Berners theory? Correct option है inactive. The solution alternatives or responses provided by learners are not found in results. In which of the following pictures and model are not sufficient ways of learning? Correct option है university level. Why is it important to teach students through inquiry based learning? Correct option है because understanding how to work with data is crucial in the modern world. Whose sayings are these? Learning is a process of combination of grasping experience and transforming it. Correct option है Kolb. Which of the following did not clearly divide these stages of his theory and keep them merged? Correct option है Bandora.